si Patidongan,
Yes, Your
meron
Honor.
siyang kasong kidnapping?
Yes, Your Honor.
Until now.
Until now.
So therefore, with that, in line with the questioning of Congressman De Lima, you cannot, am I made to understand that you cannot put him in the witness protection program because of that case?
They are now on bail, Mr. Chair, and the study on whether he is qualified to become a witness is now being studied by the DOJ.
So they are not yet qualified to be a state witness.
But the CIDG had considered him as a witness, although there have been cases of kidnapping against them. Sila po kasi ay on bail ngayon, and he surfaced and revealed what happened on the real story about missing Sabongeros. That's why he is now still being considered as a state witness.
Okay. Who are the other personalities that you filed cases to?
There are a group of policemen who are involved in the missing Sabongero that happened in San Pablo City, Your Honor. But I'm sorry because I was not able to bring the proper document about this case.
Are those the 18 that are now in custody? Is that what you're saying? CIDG, can you answer that, please? Meron na kayong mga police in custody na kasama dyan sa missing Sabongero, di ba?
They're not under our custody, Mr. Chair, but
They're
they're
not
under
under
preventive.
custody.
Yes, they're under preventive suspension. They're placed under preventive
So
suspension.
therefore, the newspapers were wrong when they said that they're under custody.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So what's the difference between being in custody and being under protection? Preventive suspension, pala.
In restrictive custody, Mr. Chair, we have physical we have physical accounting on their bodies. In preventive suspension, sir, they're not performing the regular duties, hence they are because they have been suspended from work, but they are not under our restrictive custody, Mr. Chair.
So right now, what is the status of those 18 policemen that are under preventive suspension?
They are they are still under active service, but they are under preventive suspension,